Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Lisa here at American Eagle, hanging out with Rick, our Rolling Laconia winner. How's it going, man?
It's going great. Thanks, Lisa.
So, tell me about it. Was this the first time you ever signed up for one of the Rolling USA campaigns?
First time signed up for everything. My wife and I, Debbie, love hanging out here at American Eagle on Saturdays. Me and my buddy were up here one Saturday when it was raining. Not too many people here besides you. Had a few beers here, and you basically made me sign up and did all the work for me. So
I twisted his arm.
So thank you very much, Lisa. Appreciate it.
Yeah, I mean, did you? Okay, you only entered once.
Only entered once. I thought it was a scam at first, but Sterling Bacon from Mighty Loud convinced me it wasn't a scam. And Jesse James and Sterling took care of us when we were up there in Laconia. We had a great time.
And this was your first time ever in Laconia?
It was our second time in Laconia, but first time for the bike rally.
Yeah,
weather was gorgeous. People were gorgeous. Bikes were awesome everywhere. It's a great opportunity.
Yeah, and here you're up on stage with 10 other qualifiers, pulling that key.
Yep.
And were you rubbing it for luck or what?
At first, I thought the key was too smooth for me to win, so I think that's why I was so excited when I did win, because I didn't think I was going to win, and it was just an unbelievable experience. If you saw the video, that was me acting like a fool, and that was my wife screaming in the background.
Oh my gosh, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, Courtney. So, everybody saw your happy dance.
Yes.
That was, to see that, if you did not watch that video, to see how excited you were, and you know what this is all about. I mean, Rolling USA, I think there's 7. There's Daytona, there's Laconia, there's Milwaukee, there's Sturgis, there's Arkansas. They put Arizona, and there's Texas. Here, Laconia, oldest rally in the United States, right. And you win this 2025 Pan America ST.
Come to the American Eagle, sign up for stuff. You'll win.
Awesome. Well, we are so happy for you. We can't wait to see you on the road.
Thanks, Lisa.
All it takes is one time to enter, right?
One time. You could be a winner.
Yep, just like he is. We'll see you all soon. Come in and enter for Rolling USA. You can be a winner just like Rick was. We'll see you then.
Ride safe.